Everywhere closed. Only madman the road. Need more than 2 days to give social distance, yeah? Because this thing keep the germs more. You understand? Alright guys, this is stage. I feel so tired. Going for the V-La-Nessa because I was trying to do as much on that assignment. I only answered 2 minutes. I'll be up soon. I'll see you soon. Alright guys, so I am up. I showered, I clean. Yes, bed all spread and all these things. Yeah, I wipe out the house and see. We don't want to see that, so we just do that off camera. And I'm going to look about breakfast. I'm just going to do a shake for now, and then I'm going to pick up on my assignment. I want to finish it today because it's due tomorrow at 6. So I want to finish it today. So we can, because I want to do one J1 video. And if we do, to talk about 2 stuff. So if you do a J1 video, I may have 2 videos where we need to edit too. So I have a lot of things to do today, and today is not so quiet like yesterday. I'm hearing, I think people come out and wash and do them Friday routine or whatever, or them Saturday routine, because you know say tomorrow is the next day here. You can go on the road and shop. So I guess they might do whatever they won't need to do today, so they can go on the road tomorrow. But for me, I ain't going on the road, and this morning I ordered my fish, and the lady I got deliver it tomorrow morning. That's a great thing. Yeah, so alright, so guys, I have my shake, my mango shake. I was gonna do oats and milk, but my sinus is draining, so I don't think I need any milk. So I decided to do mango, you know, use what is in season. So I went outside, picked these mango up from the ground. As you can see, some of them was very soft, but made myself some mango shake. Yeah. So all in this is just orange juice and mango. Guys, this day is solely sold out to this assignment. Like, all I can do is just snack and do the assignment. And I'm not even eating it yet, but why? I don't know. I have 1.5 more questions to do, and then I'll just read it over and finish. But I just want to get it over and done with today, so we can just send it off tomorrow. So I just read it over and send it off tomorrow, so I can do something else with my day, because so one day, and I went to my bed at 1 o'clock last night trying to put 2 answers together. And then I woke up and I'm on the 3rd one, so that's what, 5 answers. Leave 1, that's 6 questions, you know, essay type question. Stress. Like, then could I just say, oh, when you go on in the past, then I have stress you out like this in a COVID already has stressed you out, and they will stress you out with the assignment. But there you go. This is Jamaica. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today. I don't know what I'm gonna do tonight. Tonight I have to find something to eat. I just put the little video we have, which is so boring, but we already committed to this. I do a daily vlog. But me honestly not do nothing today other than assignment. Me clean out the house and do my assignment, that's all. So yeah, I'll see you later. First in a history. Gutter is so empty. First na X3. Got us empty, not even a car. The dog can't eat her food now. All the road clean to her. No way to open. Everywhere closed. Only madman up on road. Turn on your yard. It is open camera.
Can I show you? This one.
Let's show that though.
Clean.
Just go force somebody up on the road. Included 1, 2. Nobody in the party road. Nobody. Guys, we finally done the assignment and we shower already free go to bed, but you know, so we have to edit the video and put it up because we're trying to do a daily vlog of my quarantine life. But you know, today was very boring. Sorry for the boredom that I caused upon you guys. And guys, me know me look pop down. I'm here all raggedy, corner not too, whatever. Like, this is just the reality of me, guys. Like, we don't need to dress up with staying at the house. Like, why do I need to dress up? Like, if you don't want to see the real life of people in Jamaica, you know, follow me. This is what we practically do with their yard. Well, some of with their yard. They really have nothing to do. Enough of them just watch Netflix and chill at them yard. Some of them just walk up people yard and sit down and chat. Yeah, some of them will still have school work. Yeah, some of them will work from them yard. And yeah, some of them will pretend like say them have it all together. So this is just me, married. And this is how I'm gonna keep me here because I can't bother to come it every day, me in the yard, you understand? And I don't need to braid my hair, I don't need to wear no wig if me not go on the road, you understand? So whatever you see, that's what you get. Yeah. And guys, you see the video just a while ago out our cutters or out them a first in a history. Like like literally a first in a history me ever see gutters so quiet, so empty. Like people always dump on the little wall section and nobody know out there, just one dog and one madman. Like literally a first in a history in all the years when I grow up at gutters. Of course me I see this happen. First. I mean I exaggerate that true me I tell her. And if you don't live at gutters and then you can attest to this, when you talk it through. The only time out the empty I like probably 3 o'clock in the night. Cause all if you got the 12 o'clock, 1 o'clock people out there done. But COVID really know if you get people in the yard. But all I can say guys is stay good, stay safe, washing your hands and turn on the yard. Bye. Hey guys, so today is day 4. Today is Saturday, so you know it's another day that you can go and shop. Now I didn't go on the road. What I did was to order and I went out by gutters because I didn't go Spanish Town and I didn't go Wondershare because me say it mad crazy. Yeah. So the lady come deliver the fish and we don't need a lot of fish because we have fish in the freezer too. Plus my freezer full. So I got fish, shrimp, crab and all those good stuff. And then I went out the road and I bought 2 pounds of scallion because I'm gonna blend out them here and put in the fridge. 2 pounds of scallion. I buy more pepper because I have peppers already. And I buy pumpkin. No pumpkin don't last long, so I just buy that. I buy 10 pounds of flour. And I buy a gallon oil. So I have oil, flour, and I buy 2 Kool-Aid because I don't really drink a lot, but whatever. So that's basically what I got today. So that's additional stuff. So my mother cause me say me now buy a lot of something. I know me need to pack buy enough something. But I think me have enough. I don't know. I think I have enough. But yeah. That's what I have today, and I'm going to finish my assignment. Well, I finish my assignment, so I'm gonna read it over and send it off, and then see anything else. Oh, I need to clean up the shrimp. Right, they clean it. The lady clean it, so thanks to her. And I can leave her a link if you want the number. Let me know, cause she do delivery in Old Harbour, Clarendon, and Kingston, Portmore. You understand? So if you want her number, we can give it to you. Just ask me in the comment down below. So that's it for today. So I'm gonna shower now because what I road never so crazy. But yesterday was a ghost town. So I'm gonna bathe because I don't know what me carrying for me. Yeah, I'm gonna bathe, clean off my phone and dash them clothes up.
This need more than 2 days to give social distance, yeah? Because this thing keep the germs more. How people gonna manage to get food and all this shit? We don't have no food to get. Because when we come to the money, we can't get the money. I cannot understand. Andrew Walling, you give the people them 2 days to go and shopping. That is not good. We need more days.
My bread, watch out. Post me and see this in my life. Bread water. So somebody got feed.
Alright guys, so that's it for my day 4 vlog, and what I did was to combine day 3 and day 4 so you guys can make the comparison of the days. And I hope you guys are okay, and I hope you guys got everything that you needed today, whoever went on the road. And you guys can see the line to Western Union, and the road out was crazy. Linstead was crazy busy, and Old Harbour was crazy. Spanish Town was even worse. So I hope you guys are okay and you didn't catch corona from somebody else and reaching a yard in the shower and I relax in the body, understand, and I watch my video. So thank you guys for watching as always. Bye.